InVideo and Pictory AI both allow you to create AI generated videos. Today we're going to figure out which one is actually better. Alright, jumping into InVideo now. So first of all, InVideo boasts a massive library of pre-designed templates covering a wide range of industries as well as video types. It makes it incredibly easy to find a template that suits your needs, and you can then create professional looking videos in just minutes. InVideo also offers a comprehensive set of video editing tools, allowing you to fine-tune every single aspect of your video. You can add transitions, animations, special effects, and so much more to create visually stunning videos. InVideo provides excellent team collaboration features, making it easy to work with others on one video project. You can also share projects, you can leave feedback, and you can collaborate all in real time. InVideo integrates seamlessly also with popular social media platforms, allowing you to easily share your videos with your audience directly. You can also optimize your videos for different platforms and schedule posts in advance. You can also maintain brand consistency using InVideo's brand presets. You can easily apply your brand colors, your fonts, and your logos to all of your videos automatically. InVideo lets you directly publish videos to social media platforms. This feature simplifies the process of uploading, sharing your content, and all of that. One or two of their drawbacks is that they do have quite a lot of features. It's not the easiest software to use, and the learning curve can be quite steep compared to some of their competitors. Also, their pricing is quite complex. Their pricing structure can be slightly confusing, with different plans offering various features and some limitations. So it's important to carefully review your pricing option and make sure that you know exactly what you're purchasing. Let us have a look at Pictory now. So Pictory specializes in transforming blog posts into engaging videos. This feature makes it easy to repurpose your existing content and reach a wider audience. Pictory automatically selects relevant visuals from its library of stock images and videos to match your script. This can really save you time and effort in finding the right visuals for your video. It does it all for you. Pictory also automatically generates subtitles for your videos, improving accessibility and engagement. It also ensures that your videos can be understood by a wider audience, including those who are deaf or even hard of hearing. Pictory can automatically summarize long videos into shorter, more digestible clips. This is useful for creating previews or highlights of your videos. Pictory also allows you to customize your videos with your brand colors, fonts, and logos, and it can really help you maintain brand consistency and create a cohesive visual identity. Pictory optimizes your videos for different social media platforms, ensuring that they look their best on each platform. This can maximize the impact of your videos. One or two of the drawbacks here is that Pictory does not offer as much assistance with script writing as some of their competitors. If you need help with script creation, you may need a separate tool. Also, Pictory is primarily designed for repurposing existing content, which also may not be ideal for creating original videos. If you need to create original content, again, you might need to have a separate tool for that. So folks, if you are looking for an AI video generator, one of these tools are going to be a better fit for you. The takeaway here is really to go and try 3 or 4 of them out and see which one actually works. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.